Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one Max Olympiad question, logical question. So the question is given if xyz by x plus y equal to 2, xyz by y plus z is equal to 3, xyz by x plus z equal to 4, then find the value of x square, y square and z square. So here, before going to start the problem, pause the video and try the problem on your own. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. So this question is having some logic. That's why this is selected. So given x, y, z is equal to x plus y, x, y, z by x plus y equal to 2. This can be written as x, y, z is equal to 2x plus 2y. Similarly, the second one you can write x, y, z is equal to 3x plus 3y. And 3x plus 3y plus 3z, 3y plus 3z, and the third one you can write as xyz is equal to 4x plus 4z. So here all are having same LHS. So here you can write 2x plus 2y is equal to 3y plus 3z is equal to 4x plus 4z is equal to xyz. So here if you take this so here 2x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus 4z. I am taking this to 2x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus 4z. So what will get now? So 4x. So here you are multiplying the first one with the 2. So here will get 4x plus 4y is equal to multiplying this with 2 is equal to 4x plus 4z. So here we'll get 4x get cancelled. 4y is equal to 4z. So this is equal to 3y plus 3z. 3y plus 3z. So 4y minus 4z is equal to 3y plus 3z. So here 4y minus 3y is equal to 7z. So here what will get? You are taking all the three. So here y is equal to 7z. So y is equal to 7z you are getting. Now if you take 7z and substitute here in the second one, first one 2x plus 2y is equal to 3y plus 3z. So here in the place of y you are writing 2x plus 14z is equal to 21z plus 3z. So here 2x is equal to 24z minus 14z. So 2x is equal to 10z, x is equal to 5z. So you are getting the relation between x and z, here y and z. Now replacing this in the first one, replace this y and z in first one. So what is first one? X, y, z by x plus y is equal to 2. So here x is x only, y value is 7z, and sorry, x value is 5z, okay, into z by x value is 5z, y value is 7z. So here what will get 35z cube by, here we are having 12z. So z square cancel out, you will get square here. So 2 is equal to 35z square by 12. From this z square is equal to 24 by 35. Z square is equal to 24 by 35. Now, how to get y value? So here y square is equal to, if you take this one, y square is equal to 49z square. So y square is equal to 49 into 24 by 35. So here 7 table, 7 sevens 49, 5 sevens are 35. So here what will get y square is equal to 7 into 24 by 5. In the same way, x square is equal to 25z square. X square is equal to 25z square. X square is equal to 25 into 24 by 35. Here 7 times, here 5 times 5 table. 5 into 24 by 7. Now what is required here? X square plus y square plus z square value. So x square is 5 into 24 by 7. Y square is 7 into 24 by 5. And z square is 24 by 35. So here if you take 24 common, you'll get here 24 common means 5 by 7 plus 7 by 5 plus 1 by 35. So here if you take LCM, you will get 35 is the LCM. So here 7 5 is 35, 25, 49, 1 now. So 24 into, so here you'll get 75 by 35. So 5 table 7 times, 5 table 15 times it will go. So the answer is 360 by 7. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.